you stop this now? You're embarrassing me.
Yeah, that is what I want to. I want to embarrass you for everybody to know that you're shameless. You're a shameless man. Look at me and look at me very, very well. Am I not beautiful? Or am I not sweet in the middle?
Can you stop this for once? Can you stop this?
I will tell the whole world how shameless you have become. Shame on you! Whoa! Jamie Mobi, shame on you! Useless man! He goes! Your thing will not stay in a place. Your thing will not stay in a particular place.
Asa!
I will break it.
Stop embarrassing me. Look at people now.
Break it.
Stop embarrassing me, Asa. Stop embarrassing me.
I will break it.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
You've not even seen embarrassing.
I don't like this.
You have not seen embarrassing.
I don't like this. What is your problem? What did I do to you? Did I do anything wrong marrying you? What is your problem?
You stupid man.
Stop this now. Stop this.
Shut up. Shut the bullshit up. And I call it common sense. You're a useless man. Look at me. Am I not beautiful? Am I not beautiful? What are you looking for another woman? Useless man. Useless man.
I will follow you everywhere you go. I don't like this thing. What kind of wife is this? What is your problem now?
I will continue to follow you and I will curse you. Because you are senseless. Oh yeah. Nje. That black worry witch. So you had the mind, you had the guts to ask me to do frog jump and you were flogging me koboko.
What do you smoke? You sure say you well?
I know well. You want to know what I smoke?
I say you don't decrease. Now some man I said they start to make una curse you. Hey!
You want to know what I smoke? You want to know
what you want to do? What you want to do? Ah! What you want to do?
What I smoke? Hey! Asa! That's what I smoke. Asa! I don't know. Now what's that? Asa! What's that? Asa! Nonsense and ingredients. What is it? What is it? Why are you looking at me like that?
Asa, sorry. Maybe next time I see you like this, I will close my eyes.
Next time, shut your eyes. I got your Kwenka.
Radical lover, ready to fight. Jealousy lover, tell them me she good temper. Because put up biggie. Gulu temper. Because put up biggie. Asama take a easy, I beg you. Trouble no dey pay. Ata, wahala no be food. Asama, you two package well. You say you want to be only has one. No wahala, I know they complain, but
hey! Check me. Hey! Hey!
Asa, what is it?
Chimo. I'm tired. You. What have you come into this compound to do? So after everything you did, you still have the mind to come into this compound again?
Excuse me, who are you?
You are still asking me questions in my compound, in my own husband's house. Bacharum, wait for me.
Sorry, sir.
Please ignore her stupidity. This is what we see in this compound. She is so cantankerous that it has become the first item of prayer point of everybody in this compound every morning, not to meet her the first thing in the morning.
I see.
What am I to do? You're asking me.
Oh! You know her before.
Allow me to
Do
burn.
you know who
Do
she
you
is?
know what she did to me? You don't know. You asked me. I want to burn her. Set her ablaze.
I won't allow you to put this trouble on yourself.
What is wrong with you? Why are you acting silly? Do you know who I am?
Okay, Darren Kisoibo.
What is this?
Oh, Darren Kisoibo. Do I know who you are? Because you feel that you are carrying this white bag and white shoe. I will show you my madness today. I will show you. You cannot stay with me. I'm gonna do it when I'm still alive.
It's alright,
Excuse
sorry.
me. Why is she acting?
Sorry, it's okay, sorry. Sorry, that is
I
what
need
is
help.
happening.
Hey!
What have you done?
I want everything. Leave this compound, though. Leave this compound, though. Better take your miserable self because you will see what.
I'm so sorry.
Leave this compound, though.
I'm so
You want to
sorry.
come and take my husband?
I'm
Oh,
so
oh,
sorry. It's alright.
Yeah?
I'm so sorry.
Leave this compound.
I'm so sorry. Look at what you have done.
I'm ready for
What
one
sort
war.
of madness is
I am ready. Second hand ready for one
You are
war.
fellow women. Huh?
See, there's this old man. If you touch me, I push you down.
It's
You come
alright.
close to me.
It's alright. I won't touch you. Huh? I know you are already mad.
If you like.
It's
remain
alright.
there. If I come back, now your dead body may be
Hey, it's alright.
Your dead body.
Trouble has filled his mind. On where you go, what you see. But don't cry. Be a man. Don't shed tears. You a man. This is marriage.
James, I'm here.
Please, where is my wife? Why are my kids outside? What's going on?
Your wife has done the work.
She left?
It would have been better if she left. She fought the new landlady. And the lady instructed her boy to throw out your things. And that's why they're here.
Hey, she did what? She fought the new landlady. Why? Why would she do this now, Pa James? Why? What did I do to this woman? Can you never put in here, Carla? Eh? Hey!
Your wife displayed the highest point of irresponsibility and rascality here today. I even tried to intervene to stop her from further damage. She refused.
What did I do to this woman? Why is she doing this? Why is she bent in killing me? What is all this now? Eh? I don't even have money to rent another place. What am I going to do now, Pa James? Tell me, please. How do I help me? Eh? I want to beg the new landlady. Let me talk to her. Where is she? I want to see the new landlady. Where will I see her? Can you take me there? Please. Okay, thank you. Can you?
As a matter of fact, I don't know where she lives. But she left her phone number with me.
Oh,
so
fine.
if you want to have it, I may give it to you.
Yes, I need it.
I may give it to you if you so desire.
I need it. Thank you.
I think I wrote it somewhere in this newspaper. Okay, here it is. The number 08
08
1234
1234
0
0
1958.
1958.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again
The
later.
number is switched off.
Are you sure? Try again.
Well, what did I do to this my wife now? Eh? What did I do to her? Why is she?
Where is that useless woman? Where is she? Where's your wife? Eh? Your useless wife came to my shop. Goods worth 200,000 naira. She must pay, else I will do something crazy in this compound.
Did you hear what she said? Hey! Eliza, can I beg you? Please, I am sorry, okay? I'm so sorry, forgive her. Eliza, Butu, please. For my sake, I'm sorry, okay? Forgive her, for my sake.
You are sorry what?
I beg you.
What thing I want use your sorry do? Who sorry help? I better give me the money, man, take go buy the goods.
I should give him money. Well, the truth is this, eh? If you know what I'm passing through now, you will pity me. My wife fought the new landlady and she sent us packing. Look at my things. I'm tired, I'm fed up.
This your wife wahala sef too much. Your wife wahala too much sef. See my dress, does she do my dress? They see my dress like this. Is she not your wife? If she go come meet me for this compound, if I'm not sure I'm pepper, make they call me bastards. Make she go come meet me for this compound, make I go change. She go come meet me.
Don't commit murder, please. Please. I'm so fat. I say, I don't understand. Eh? Now, tiger, I go marry. Wait till be all this one now. I'm tired.
James,
Yes?
you are in for a very long connubial night. Well, it is your cross. You have to obey it. Tooraloo-raloo-raloo. Tooraloo-raloo-raloo. Tooraloo-raloo-raloo.
So she had the guts to come to your husband's house.
Yes, so.
You would have used fresh paper on her face. You know what? On her wanya. That would have been better.
James! What is the meaning of this?
Why have you brought my bag here? So after planning a coup against me, you had to bring my bag here because I confronted your new wife. James, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself, oh! Nonsense, man.
Yeah, James. So all this package my daughter carries around. Asawa mama. Don't go. Nenunwa. Negodunwa. Very rare special. So this is not enough for me.
Oh.
Eh?
Not
Now you had to marry a second wife.
Not trolling one.
I am happy my daughter dealt with her.
Oh,
This
really?
is just the beginning, no?
You're happy she dealt with her, right? Well, let me break the news. The woman she dealt with is our new landlady. Yes.
It's a lie.
Oh, yes. You heard me loud and clear. And she sent us packing.
Oko Tony.
Here are your things. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy!
Is he joking?
I did not hear what you said, though.
Did he just say that the lady is our new landlady?
But he was not talking to me now.
What do you mean? Were you not here?
Give my corner, Abano.
Ah! Oh, can't you wait?
Is that my business?
I've spoiled things for myself. Mama, think you know you were talking to me when you know. Asa, come back! Come and carry this thing because we put time to no. Asa! Come back here, Asa!
No. Don't leave this for me here. I'm a opportunity to no.
Asa!
Honestly, I don't like this, so. My papa will not like this kind of bag around this house. Eh?
Asa, baby, there's no need sneaking in. The fact that it has happened means it has happened.
Is it true that she sent us packing?
Exactly. I tried to avoid all this. I tried to stop you, but you ignored me. But now she's angry with you. She's bitter with you.
Okay, please, where can I find her? Let me go and beg her.
Beg who?
The woman.
Oh, you're playing with fire. The woman is looking for you with police. I advise that you leave this place immediately.
Police?
Leave here pronto.
Hey! Some people are now hiding. Yeah, I thought you were a tigress.
What a black witch. What is your problem? Who called you into this matter? Who carried you enter here? Who invited you into this matter?
You shut up your mouth. Don't mention my name for that your mouth again, no. Why you go destroy my goods worth 200,000 naira? Goods, money where you not get for this your life.
The crate no cost me. If you cost me, I cost you back. Who you dey say you no get money? You get? See, make I tell you. I destroy your goods. Like you cost them. But don't worry. Don't worry. When I make money, I give you 20,000. Leave me alone now.
After you dey craze. Who you go give 20,000 naira? You dey mad? You go give me my money now. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
So because I say I go give you 20,000 self. 20,000 when you never even see. You dey open your mouth to say I dey mad. Now you dey craze. I no get the money. When I get them, I go give you. Please avoid me, oh. Avoid me.
Avoid you.
Because I no dey follow you. See who I dey follow.
Why I go avoid you? When the woman when you assault na my cousin. You never see anything yet, oh.
Liar.
Okay.
Which woman na your cousin? Which woman na your cousin? Pajon. Is she speaking the truth?
Well, so I heard.
What? You see this one? You no go escape am. I go carry that woman call your mama house. She go teach you better lesson, where you no go feel forget for your entire life. Don't worry. You never see anything.
What for here? Look at you. You have to scare me. You not see. You don't know me. I am Asa, the challenger of this compound. compound. You cannot scare me. Good nonsense here now. Now lie. Pa John, tell me the truth. I'm sure she's lying to me. Pa John, is she saying the truth?
So I heard. I will advise you to go into hiding.
Hiding?
Till the time her anger will subside. Because from the way she was sounding, she might crush you the moment she sets her eyes on you.
So now your plan be this. What did I do you for this compound? You don't go give me make I drink water, drop cup.
Pajo, why you tell her say make you go hide? There is no space for her to hide. There is no hiding place for the wicked. You see this woman? If you not give me my money, I go show you pepper for this compound. I mean, and you, because that money not easy to get, and I know so you never see that kind of money for your life since they born you. Don't worry.
Nonsense. Wait till I do this. This worry black witch. This woman no go give me rest for this compound. Eh? This one want to talk to you. Concern you. It concern you. Pajon, please, as an elderly man, advise me what you think I should do because I don't even understand myself again. I beg. What should I do? I beg. I'm really sorry. This is not if you I save myself. I don't put my family for problem.
I can only advise you to skedaddle. Skedaddle. Run away as if something is pursuing you.
To where? I don't have money to go and run to anywhere. Skedaddle. Who can shove your fire?
Ready to fight jealousy lover. Tell them that she good temper.
Mama. Mama. Who is that? What sort of question is that? Don't you know my voice again? Maybe go do that. Asa, open the door now.
Open the door. What do you want?
What kind of question is that, Mama? Open the door, let me bring my things inside.
I don't understand. So after fighting your landlady, and that mad worry woman, you ran to my house. You want to put me in trouble?
Mama, can you please stop all this drama and open the door for me? What do you mean? Do you want me to stay outside?
Drama. I'm sorry. I cannot. I don't want to be arrested by the police.
Mama, if this is a joke, please stop it and open the door for me. Who would I run to? Where would I go? You're already pursuing me.
Pursuing you then? So the best thing to do is to run to this place.
Where would I now run to?
No, now. As I stop this nonsense. Go and face your fears. Challenger. Okay, see me. I'm Muslim geek. Please, oh. You have to be considerate. I don't like your behavior.
Mama, you don't open this door.
Asa, what is this thing that I'm hearing? Why is your name in everyone's mouth that you fought a woman in government? Asa, ebala ilugosi. Now the worst part is that you are wanted.
Wanted by who?
Wanted, Asa. By the soldiers, the police, the vigilantes, even in an
My problem with you is that you can never say things the way they are. You must put my Maggie nuose so that it will be sweet.
Asa, what else do you want me to tell you?
Please go.
That you are wanted. If I dare to be you, I will go on exile. Exile. You can't preach a boy. You can't preach it. You can't preach a boy.
Very stupid woman. You are just very stupid. You don't have sense.
You don't like to do.
Mama!
Trouble has filled his mind. On where you go, what you see. But don't cry. Be a man. Don't shed tears.
Good afternoon. How are you doing?
You're fine.
Yes, I can see you're very fine. You're very fine. Be careful. Be careful, you. Hey!
Grandma, we miss you so much.
Look at you. Wow, good.
So was fine.
Sit down.
Hey! I can see you people.
Have a good day.
Good afternoon. What is it? Bia, Cindy, go inside, eh? I'll come and give you what I have for you people. Oh, yeah, fast.
Okay, Grandma.
Fast. Be careful, be careful. Don't jump.
Story.
Don't worry, I'm coming now. What is the matter? Talk to me. What is it? What happened?
Mama, my wife will not kill me.
What happened this time?
I don't even know where to start. I came back and saw our things outside. I inquired from the caretaker what was going on, and he told me that my wife fought the new landlady. Oh yes, she poured water on her.
Why would she do that?
Does she have any reason to do the things she does? Does she? Eh? Mama, my wife is a thorn on my flesh. I keep saying this ever since I lost my job. She has shown me her true colors. She has shown me hell.
It's okay, oh? It's okay. Calm down. You know? Calm down. Thank God you have a place to put your head. I will talk to your sister so that she comes to take the children to Enugu until you stand on your feet. Oh?
It's fine, Mama. Thank you. I will have to go back to the city.
Why? What are you going to do in the city? Who are you going to meet in the city?
Mama, don't worry yourself. I will stay with my friend Ike.
No. I thought you would stay around here until you cool your head down before going anywhere.
Mama, I'm fine. I'm fine. There's nothing to cool off.
You are not fine. I know that you are not fine. Please.
Mama, I said I will go back to the city. I don't want to stay in this village, please. Respect me with that, please. I want to go back to the city.
I'm not saying you should not go to the city, but you stay here. Let you calm down a little bit before you begin to travel. Be calm. I'm coming. Let me attend to this.
I don't understand. My children did not even look at me. They just carried their father inside. I feel so angry at myself. I'm so angry. So sad.
My sister, you will not kill yourself. The deed has been done. The only thing you should do now is look for what to do with your life. At least, get a place to lay your head.
Can't I stay here?
Huh? Asa, it's not like you can't stay here. After all, this is your second home. But the thing is, my sugar daddy will be coming tonight.
Yeah. That one is not a problem. I will not disturb you people. I will stay on the floor. But I will sleep on the floor.
Bam. Asa, you know I have a loud voice. And I like screaming. I like losing my voice anytime I'm doing a watago. So I wouldn't want to disturb you.
Hey, I don't understand. So you don't want me to stay in your house? I cannot sleep in your house?
No, it's not like that. It's not what I meant. What I'm trying to say is that I don't want to make you uncomfortable. Besides, my sugar daddy likes big bumper. And then so I don't want to hear stories that touches the heart.
Don't tell me you're feeling insecure. I thought you are my friend.
Of course, we are friends, and friends we shall be until eternity. But I need to protect my relationship.
Okay. I'm so bothered. How do I read you?
I would have seen you off, but
I don't need you to see me off.
Etiko, come and use this your big nyash to steal my man. See me that sent you to go and be disgracing yourself up and down on Allah. Today, I'll call you for
Pardon, please. You need to help me. I would want you to help me and talk to the new landlady. Eh? I cannot be jobless and yet I will not even see a place to lay my head. Please.
James, it's not like I am pachydermous about your plight. I have been talking to her concerning your situation. But to me, it seems like her mind is made up. And to that extent, my hands are tied.
So what do I do now, man? What's the way forward? Eh?
You see, James, I don't even know how to break this heartbreaking news to you. She has already told me to tell you to come and collect back your rent.
Eh?
Yes, what you heard.
What will I do now? Eh? She cannot do this to us now. She cannot do this to me and my children. John, please. I need your help now. Help me and talk to her, please. For the sake of my children, please. She can't do that because of my wife's action. Please.
I know how good you are, but my hands are tied.
You know I'm a good man.
James. Don't worry. I'll talk to her. You know she's my relative. I'll talk to her. But one that's your troublesome wife. Make sure they insult me anyhow for this compound, because if she insults me again, she'll be thrown out of this compound for good.
There she goes again.
Wait, make I go collect my phone. Where could they go?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
James, your problem is hydra-headed.
You see, my problem is hydra-headed.
Yes. When we are patching one side, another side will be leaking and bursting. You see the outburst of your wife when we were talking about pacification of the new landlady. Anyway, you know nothing about the classical history of the Romans and Greeks.
Trouble has filled his mind. On where you go, what you see. But don't cry, be a man. Don't shed tears, you a man. This is my reign. If on your full this is your cross. You have to bear it. If you say make you run away, you can run away. She must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. You can run away. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say
We were actually coming to your office.
I hope there's no problem.
Sister, there's problem. It's about my neighbor. I want you to forgive him. Please. And forget what the wife has done to you.
Please.
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 Is he the husband to the mad woman?
Yes.
Yes, but he's a nice man.
Okay.
I'm a nice man. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Forgive my wife. I don't mind whatever she has done. Please forgive her. I'm sorry for everything. Please. Okay? For the sake of my children, we don't have any place we'll go to. I don't even have money now to rent any good apartment in town.
Well, if you're going to live in that house, definitely not with that woman. She will have to stay back in the village while you stay with your kids in the city.
Madam, please. Give him a second chance. Please.
There's definitely no second chance for them unless they go by my instructions.
I understand. But you know, I'm a man. It will be very difficult for me to live with the kids without my wife. Please, forgive me, please.
There's nothing I can do about it unless you have heard from my instructions.
I will tell her to calm down. I will. I'm sorry, ma. What am I doing? I'm sorry, ma.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry, I'll talk to her. She's not a bad person.
She said my wife should go to the village.
Don't worry, I'll talk to her. Yeah? Don't worry, let's go.
Let's go where?
Oh, I forgot. Bye-bye.
What am I going to do now? Huh?
Don't shed tears, you a man. This is marriage. If on your follow, this is your cross. You have to bear it. If you say make you run away, you can run away. She must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. You can run away. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say yourself, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose.
Tom, take me back.
Don't worry, just be a man. Don't give up, cause what comes to a man is equal to the man. He can conquer what? It's a matter of time. Just keep hope alive. Your God is not asleep. Cry unto him. You must conquer. You must rejoice, yo. Cause marriage is a blessing and your God cannot let you down. You have to bear it. If you say make you run away, you can run away. She must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. You can run away. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say yourself, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose.
What's your name?
James.
James.
Yep.
Okay, Mr. James. You can have your house key back.
Oh, thank you so much, ma. Thank you. God bless you. I appreciate this. God
You're
bless
welcome.
you. Thank you.
And also, tell your wife to stay out of trouble so
I
she
will.
can keep you out of troubles too.
I will. God bless you, ma. Thank you. I appreciate this. Thank you. Huh? God bless you. How are you?
Daddy!
How are you?
I'm fine.
My son. My son, come.
Where is your sister?
Oh, she's inside sleeping.
Okay, let's go in. I want you to get your things so that we'll go back to the house.
Are we going with mommy?
Yes, why?
But you say we will go to Enugu to stay with Auntie Ify.
Yes, I said that, but I've changed my mind, okay? Let's go home.
I'm not going. will break bottles and fight.
No, I will not do that again. I will never shout and break bottle. I used to do that before, no problem. But now I can't do it again. I've changed.
No, you will shout and fight daddy.
Ask your daddy now.
No,
I've changed.
We're happy here.
It's okay.
I've changed.
It's okay.
Your papa now is my sugar and my honey.
It's okay. Mommy is a change
Are you
person.
sure?
Yes, mommy is a change person.
You promise?
Yes. Okay. She won't do that again.
No hug me.
Then, can you hug her, please? It's okay. It's okay. Let's go and meet your sister. Let's go and meet your sister. Okay. Let's pack your things and go.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. It's okay. Don't.
I will not.
Okay. Pick 2.
Hey, no be small matter.
Pick 3.
Nothing like pick 3, na pick 2.
You want take me play? For you get. They carry last too.
Go jail. Go jail. Continue.
Slow down now, you get.
Slow down for waiting.
Satan don't fall for ground. Matam. He don't fall for ground. Matam.
My dear James, welcome back. Oh, I don't miss you.
Look at this fool. You think we will not come back? That's your plan. You think we will not come back? Let me tell you, we are not just back, but we came back with full force. Yeah. We are back and stronger.
I said shut up.
Stronger.
I said shut up.
What do you mean I should shut up? Why would I shut up? Let me talk to her.
I said shut up before I lose it.
If you lose it, I'll tighten it for you. What do you mean I should shut up? Allow me to talk. Oh, is it because of this worry witch that you're not talking to me anyhow?
No curse me, oh. Don't try him.
You promise, remember.
Shut up, oh. Tell me promise, remember. You dey here now, your papa dey talk to me anyhow. You don't fit talk to your papa. You dey tell me say you promise, remember. Don't start, oh. I go beat you.
Master, welcome, oh.
My sister. We miss you. I miss you too. They think I will not come back. If I never get question. What do we have back?
Jeff! Where are you going?
Oh yeah, go the market. Not this, I don't forget. Go the market.
I don't go the market before. Maybe let's say the Etiko.
Jeff, wake up! Wake up! Daddy! Wake up! Daddy! Wake up!
What happened? Jeff! Don't do this, Jeff! Jeff! Don't do this! Jeff!
James, how is he faring? I mean, by the way, where is he now? James, talk to me now.
Where's my son?
This is what you've wanted, right? Go and eat his flesh.
Hey! No.
Where is Jeff?
I'm sorry. He'll...
Leave me alone. Where is he?
He's fine. Okay? Jeff is fine.
Where is he?
I'm sorry. Don't worry. Hold on. I'm coming.
How is he? Talk to me now.
I'm sorry. Let's go.
Where are we going to? Where is Jeff?
Let's go to Grandma. Jeff will be fine, okay?
How
He will
is
come
Jeff?
down.
How is Jeff? Hey, I hope it's not what I'm thinking, oh. John.
God forbid the bad thing.
How is the boy?
What else do you expect? When his head was fatally injured.
Jesus.
The boy has died. He has died.
Hey. Hey. I should have ignored that. Oh,
now you know. Now you know. Had I known it's a cry for the fools, when I'm here emphasizing for the goodness of peace, you take it as a statement from analog generation. You belong to digital. Pa John belongs to analog. It's unfortunate. Had I known it's a cry of fools.
On where you go, what you see. But don't cry, be a man. Don't shed tears, you a man. This is marriage. If on you follow one, this is your cross. You have to bear it. If you say make you run away, you can run away. She must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. You can run away. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say yourself.
You came to collect the children, you did not tell me. You even left my door open. What happened? Where is Jeff?
A car hit him when he was running out of the house.
Yes, again. A car did what? James, where is he now? James, where is my grandson? Where is my son?
Take them away from me. Why? I want. Hey, Chivo. Hey! Where is Jeff? Where is Jeff? Hey! Oh! Where is your brother? Where is your brother? Hey, why? Why? Why did you take them away? Why did you take my grandchildren away? Where is Jeff? Jeff, where is Jeff? Hey! 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 Hey!
Hey! Chimo! I'm finished.
What am I hearing? That Jeff is dead? How did it happen?
I'm finished, Oyoyo. Look at what I've done to myself. I just feel like disappearing. The devil came into my life to destroy it from one problem to the other. From one problem to the other.
Hey! Asakanjukene, why is it always you? Eh? Why is the devil always on your case?
I don't know.
What did you do to the devil?
My only son, my son. Hey! I don't know, I just feel like killing me. I just want to die. I just want to die.
I will not allow you to kill yourself. Even if you will, not here.
Hey!
Hey!
Asa, are you sure James did not use that boy for money ritual? Yes, and put the blame on you.
Hey,
I know James is very wicked.
Mama, what is wrong with you? My problem with you is that most of the time you talk too much and without even knowing what you say. Because most of the things you are telling me now does not make sense. How can you even suggest that my own husband killed his son? For what now? I don't like it. Please don't say it again.
What do you know? Asa, what do you know? Eh? He can make it look like an accident.
Mama, stop. Don't make matters worse. Stop it already. Stop it. How can you be a mother and you be behaving like a child?
Are you shouting at me?
Did they remove your sense?
Eh? I'm walking over. Asa, be very careful with me. You don't hear your voice again, I'll send you out of my house.
You cannot even send me out of this house. This house belongs to my father. Don't try it. Because this house does not belong to you. This house belongs to my father. And if you think you can do to me what you did to my late father, you cannot try it. Eh? What is even your problem?
Cannot send you out of this house.
You cannot now. You can't. Is it because I've been keeping quiet? Don't try it with me, oh.
Asa, don't dare me.
There you go.
Now get out.
Mama, you cannot send me out of this house. And listen, let me tell you something. In this condition of mine, I can do anything. If you touch me, I hit you back. Eh? I swear to God.
You hit me back. Now, ugly go one. You hit me back. Go out. I'll say so. Come on, stand up. You want to fight me?
James, you have to go back to the city. Yes. And I want you to go and get your wife back. Whatever happened was an accident. Put it behind you. Forgive her and forgive her from your heart. Please.
It's okay, Mama. I've heard what you said and I will do as you said.
Chai. Thank you, my son. Oh?
It's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine. Are you okay? Huh? Are you okay? What happened?
I will not go back with Daddy. I want to stay with Grandma.
Are you okay?
You have to go with your father. Oh?
I don't want to go to heaven now.
It's okay. No, but you're not going to heaven. Nothing will happen to you. You're my daughter, okay? Nothing will happen to you. Did you hear what I said? If you don't want to go, it's fine. I will go back myself. Then very soon, my sister will come and take you to Enugu. Enugu?
You've been saying the same thing over and over again. When is Auntie Ife coming to take me to Enugu?
Very soon. Very, very soon. Very soon.
Very soon. Okay? Very soon.
Okay?
Enugu? Don't worry yourself. Ife will come. I called her. She said she's coming soon to take you to Enugu. Enugu?
So be happy.
Mama? Mama, thank you. Thank you for everything. God bless you.
Thank you too.
I'll do as you said.
Okay.
I think the best thing for me to do is to get another wife. I cannot do what Mama said. I am the one wearing the shoe, so I know where it pinches me.
Now you're beginning to think like a free man. What is the joy of a man when he's not happy with his partner? Honestly, you do not deserve what you've gotten from that woman.
James, marriage is for better and for worse. You cannot dabble into deuterogamy when your wife is still alive. Maybe because she's cantankerous. By the way, how are you sure that the woman you are going to marry next is not going to be worse than your present wife? The devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
Well, I will not advise any man to die for a woman that will dust herself and remarry immediately the man dies. The marriage you had with Asa was very toxic. She is a toxic person. She's troublesome. She gives headache. She's everything. You don't need such a person in your life.
That is it. Chicken, you don't need her at all.
Trouble has filled his mind. Oh, where you go, what you see? But don't cry, be a man. Don't shed tears.
I don't know what to do to myself. I love my husband so much. But maybe, just maybe, I don't even know how to show him the love. I don't know. I've done terrible things to him. I have. Jeff, my baby. Jeff.
How are you?
Daddy!
How are you?
I'm fine.
My son. My son, come.
Where is your sister?
Oh, she's inside sleeping.
Okay, let's go in. I want you to get your things so that we'll go back to the house.
Are we going with Mommy?
Yes, why?
But you say we will go to Enugu to stay with Auntie Ife.
Yes, I said that, but I've changed my mind, okay? Let's go home.
I'm not going. Mommy will break bottles and fight.
No, I will not do that again. I will never shout and break bottles. I used to do that before, no problem. But now I can't do it again. I've changed.
No, you will shout and fight Daddy.
Ask your daddy now.
No,
I've changed.
You're happy here.
It's okay.
I've changed.
It's okay.
Your papa now is my sugar and my honey.
It's okay. Mommy is a change
Are you
person.
sure?
Yes, mommy is a change person.
You promise?
Yes. Okay. She won't do that again.
No hug me.
Then, can you hug her, please? It's okay. Let's go and meet your sister. Let's go and meet your sister, okay? Let's pack your things and go.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. It's okay. Don't.
I will not.
Yeah. Okay. Pick 2.
Hey. No be small matter.
Pick 3.
Nothing like pick 3, na pick 2.
Won't take me play. For you get. They carry last too.
Go jail. Go jail. Continue.
Slow down now, you get.
Slow down for waiting.
Satan don't fall for ground. Matam. He don't fall for ground. Matam.
My dear James, welcome back. Oh, I don't miss you.
Look at this fool. You think we will not come back? That's your plan. You think we will not come back? Let me tell you, we are not just back, but we came back with full force. Yeah. We are back and stronger.
I said shut up.
Stronger.
I said shut up.
What do you mean I should shut up? Why would I shut up? Let me talk to her.
I said shut up before I lose it. Please.
If you lose it, I'll tighten it for you. What do you mean I should shut up? Allow me to talk. Oh, is it because of this worry witch that you're not talking to me anyhow?
No, curse me, oh. Don't try him.
You promise, remember.
Shut up, oh. Tell me promise, remember. You dey here now, your papa dey talk to me anyhow. You don't fit talk to your papa. You dey tell me say you promise, remember. Don't start, oh. I go beat you.
Asa, welcome, oh.
My sister. We miss you. I miss you too. They think I will not come back.
If I never get question.
But we are back.
Jeff! Where are you going?
I'm so sorry, my king. I'm sorry, my little king. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Asa, you have cried enough. Eh? Come in and sleep.
Mama, how can I possibly sleep? When I see his face everywhere I go, I hear his voice. How? He wanted to leave, but I cost him his life. He wanted peace, but I gave him sudden death. I'm not sure my son will ever forgive me for my deeds. I'm not sure.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop blaming yourself. Eh? It's okay. Listen, put yourself together. Come in, let's sleep. Oh?
I just can't sleep. Can't. I can't. I can't. My baby, forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
I've ruined my home, mommy. I've ruined my home.
It's okay. It's okay, Asa. Don't do this to yourself. Oh?
I just want to keep calm, but I can't.
It's okay.
I don't even know when I just tear and all of that.
It's okay.
It's okay. For once, you behave like a mother.
It's okay.
Is he not yet back?
He's not back, oh. Pa John, he is not back.
This is serious.
I don't understand what is happening. Are you sure my husband is safe? Are you sure he will still come back today?
I just hope he is safe and fine wherever he is. All the same, if by noon tomorrow we don't hear from him, I think the right thing to do is to go and report to the police.
Police?
Yes. Excuse me.
What is all these things now? Eh? James, what kind of no? Let's not be what I'm thinking. Hey.
What are you thinking, Asa?
My husband is missing.
What do you mean he's missing?
I came back and found out that he left with some of his things.
Hey! Ome, I knew it. I knew this has been his plan all this while. Asa, that man was intentionally looking for your trouble. Ona Choki, Meki, and the Meki go. He has run away with his concubine. 1 hour ago.
don't understand. Did you see him with any woman?
I did not see him with any woman, no. Eh? But that is what it is. What are you telling me? Hey! Men are dogs. Men are wicked.